good, gang? What's going on YouTube? We got 60 incredible moments caught on camera. Let's get it, y'all.
Hello, everyone. To get an idea of the future of a potential relationship, you can plan the first date in a pool hall.
Oh, shit. Oh! Could you imagine that being your first date? Off a Tinder or some shit? What the fuck? I gotta get out of here. Like, no cap. Who is this? What is she doing?
Hello, everyone.
Look at
to get an idea of the future of a potential relationship, you can plan the first date in a pool hall.
Hey, she pulling out her best moves. Watch this. Stupid ass. Oh, stuck. I know that hurt her leg right there on the edge, too.
50 years from now, they will tell this story to their grandchildren.
No. No way the dog just took my food that I had in my mouth. Get out of here. He said, that's mine now. What the hell? No, and she doesn't think twice about it. Nah, get off me. That's what I'm doing. Punching your ass. No way. His whole top came off. Y'all see that? My boy got a toupee. A toupee ski? You look at nobody seen it. But we did.
It is well known for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction.
Ooh. Big ass dog too. Oh, did y'all see that? He came out both his flip-flops. Both of them popped up. Boop, boop. He lucky another car wasn't coming. Real shit. He would have got smacked up. What we doing? Bro was blending in with the stairs. No. Where the fuck does an elephant just randomly come from? They attack people? I did not know that, bro. They out here attacking people? Bro was running for his life. He's like, help! Help! And that could have been bad. That's tough. That's the type of shit that make you want to quit. I'm done for the day. I'm going to the crib. I feel him. Ooh. He got to clean all that up too. Bad day at work. Bro, was his shirt caught on that? No way. I just give up on life, bro.
This is a cute video of a stray dog choosing a new human friend.
Piss on his ass.
As this guy.
No, he just sitting there too. Nah, I gotta punt that dog. I'm giving it a nice little kick. Ew. Domino effect. Run! Get out of there! He said he don't care. I'm gonna walk it off. Somebody else gonna pick it up. Stupid. Little stupidity. Husband is disappointed.
Don't worry, we all saw it.
We saw it. We got you. She got some reflexes, don't she?
Perfect.
Oh my. You gotta quit after that. Like you have to quit soccer and find you another sport to play because no way she did you like that. No way she did you like. She's fixing her hair.
Perfect.
Whoop. Move. Stupid. Broke your ankles. Move. Dummy. Quit playing soccer. Hey, you gotta be quicker than that, man. Come on. Get it. Bro ain't fast enough. Go, 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 go. Smooth. Okay. Oh, that's tough. Now bro smell like mayonnaise. Stanky foot ass. Damn, and they just got it too. They said, back it up. Back it up.
The
Never
poor guy
mind.
still doesn't know that he is making the youngest wine in the world.
On me, especially if he really was making wine. That's money. That's money. What is she doing? No, don't move it no more. Oh, done. Are these maids? They're cleaning the house, bro. These are maids. Could you imagine telling this story when the owners get back home? Oh, you're done. You're cooked. Stupid. No, that
Don't
costs a
blame
lot of
these
money
women.
too.
With a table like this was bound to happen.
They're not gonna say it like that. Oh, she about to go down. Oh! Sheesh!
Memorize this procedure in case your house is attacked by a bat.
Why is there a bat in the house? Hey, little boy just sitting there. He don't care. Little buddy don't care. No, he's setting him up. He set him up. Hey, as a dad, sometimes you gotta think fast like that. I like how he moved. That was smart. I didn't do it, man. I wasn't me. It was the baby. You feel me? Look, it's
You can judge
it's
her,
a
but
win-win.
I personally plan to use this trick someday.
That's smart. I gotta try that. Cause my daughter be all up in my face, taking all my food. He like, what you got? You got something? I hear a crunch. don't mind.
No, what's up? Can I come have some coffee with you? Yeah, man, come on over.
I like old people, bro. They do shit like this.
Time in the morning to get out and relax, you know? Yeah. Yeah, I'm just starting to move around a bit. Yep.
Cool peoples, bro. Cool
Sometimes
peoples.
a stranger can do you a favor in exchange for a pleasant conversation.
Oh, he cutting his grass too. You gotta look out for OG after that, bro. You got to. He cuts your grass. He drinks coffee with you. Y'all have nice conversations. Y'all locked in. Y'all locked in now.
Actually, some people have very good neighbors. This man hangs bananas on a nearby tree that bears no fruit.
Hey, that's what's up, bro. Hey, the look back. I got you bananas. No. Could you imagine? I know he's hurt. He like, I got me a fresh pizza. I already sparked me a blunt ready to smoke. Now I'm about to go crazy with the munchies. And he done dropped the whole pizza. I'm losing my shit.
2 hours later.
It's still there? Get the fuck out of here. No way. No way. The fact that he even thought about it, bro, you're sick. You might as well eat it. You thought about it. You said, look, there's pizza on the floor, on the ground. I think I want a piece. Let me check it out. No. Disgusting.
Don't judge my wardrobe. Thank you. Quick, come in.
Oh, come in. What?
Oh, no, I was talking to the dog.
I was like that too. Okay.
Hey, my boy was ready to go in too. He was ready to knock some boots. He was like, hold on. I only see these in the XX videos. What are you talking about? Come in.
Oh, come in.
Come in. Hey, say less. I'm coming.
Okay.
Sorry.
Shit.
Have a good night.
You too.
Oh, that's tough. She gonna stop it though? Okay. The way the car came through though. Oh, that's an L. L. Yeah, they got it from both angles too. Eek! The fuck are you doing? Stupidity. You fucking nut. Oh! Dodged a bullet. That car would have been towed up. It's a lot of bricks too. What happened?
When your intrusive thoughts after
hell was
playing GTA are too strong.
Sheesh. Oh, that was shit. That was shit. Damn. And she caught it though. He dropped a few pieces of food, but it's good. They ain't gotta know. No. How does that even happen? You're fired, bro. Like, the first one I can excuse. Cool, you slipped up a little bit. You know what I mean? Like, alright. Cool. But then you do this?
2 options have been removed.
Go ahead and clock out for me, sir. Give me your badge and everything you have.
Move
Get
from
out.
today's menu.
Bro, that shit. Could you imagine coming from wherever you are and you just see your car full of shit? What is that? Oh shit on my car, for real. that's how I would be. Damn crackhead and came in and shit on my shit. Hey, it's gone. I got a trampoline, but mine's never did no shit like this. At least it came back. Oh, that's tough. Why is there a table by where they're making food at in the first place? Bro got front row seats to him cooking. No. Dumpster finna hit some shit. That's that type of shit that be irritating. Y'all see that? Like this dumpster has all the opportunity to go this way, but the way the universe works, you want to roll towards my car. Tough. Good thing nothing happened though. Stupid. His ass hurt now. What the hell? Who is this? Where they come from? And they had a ladder on hand though. That ain't my fault. It wasn't my fault. All I did was turn it on. Y'all seen that? Y'all seen that, right? All I did was turn it on. I swear that's me, right? I didn't do that. He's like, what the fuck? Bro, push it.
Right
He said,
from the
fuck
start,
it.
it was evident that he had little belief in this
Fuck it.
idea.
Woo. He's still gonna do it. Oh, I'll run over you, Dad. Fuck you, Dad.
Got to watch where you're going, honey.
This cat is a thief, and he gonna chase it. Let that cat get it.
Show this video to those who think that cats have no empathy.
She got 2 cats. I'm not a cat fan like that.
They're running away from the boss of this neighborhood.
No way. They ran from a cat. Hey, niggas do not fuck with cats, bro. Get the fuck out of here. And he like, I'd rather go around the house. Why'd the bear just get in your car like that? He about to drive. He about to whip out. Bro, what the hell? Bro, I would be so hurt because how do you even turn those over? Like, how do you even get them back right to how they were? Hey, go stupid. Hey. What the white? What the white girl is going on here? What the fuck are y'all doing here? Look at this one. She just. Alright, so that's how we cool, man.